Welcome to this step-by-step guide on the AIBE registration and application form filling process. Please follow the instructions carefully. Step 1. Visit the official website. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official AIBE registration portal. Once the website is open, you will be able to see homepage with multiple options. Click on registration here. This will redirect you to the official user registration page. Step 2. New candidate registration. Enter your mobile number and email ID and validate it with the respective OTPs. Once done, enter your name and create a strong password. These details are very important because all further communication will be shared on this registered email ID and phone number. Once all fields are filled correctly, click on Register button to complete your initial registration. On your left are two sections, one showing your progress on registration and the other showing the instructions. Read them very carefully. Once you are successfully registered, you will be redirected to the login page. Step 3. Login to the portal. Enter your newly created login credentials which you have received on your registered email as well. After entering the details and captcha code, click on the login button. You will now be taken to the candidate dashboard from where, on clicking on apply, you can directly go to your application form where all important sections for the application process are displayed. Step 4. Fill in personal details. The first section to complete is personal detail. It will automatically fetch your registered name, contact number, and email ID. You have to enter other detail like father's name, mother's name, and date of birth exactly as they appear on your official documents. Select your category from SC, ST, OBC, or unreserved. Select your gender. Enter your date of birth. Select it from the calendar. Select your month, your year, and the date of birth. Once you're done, it will automatically fetch your age as on the latest date of your application filing. Your mobile number has already been fetched. If you have an alternate mobile number, please enter, though it is not mandatory. If you are a person with disabilities and if you click yes, you have to enter your disability category. Once you do that, please enter the percentage of disability. If you are not a person with disability, you directly can go through type of government ID proof. Once you enter all of these details, fill in the candidate type. Once selected, move to the next most important parameter, which is, are you a candidate without enrollment certificate or in final semester of a 3-year or 5-year integrated LLB degree course? If it is a yes, download the undertaking form. You will be required to fill and upload it in the document upload section. Now select the eligibility conditions from the options given below. The undertaking form looks like this. You can directly download it, fill it up, and then further on upload it in the document section. But if you have selected a no, select your bar council from the eligibility criteria and enter the relevant enrollment number and your enrollment year. Upload your photographs and signature, and please remember, take care of the format and the size requested. Remember, any mismatch between your application and your ID proof can cause your form to get rejected. Now, once you are done with all the details, click on Save Personal Details. Once you click on Save Personal Detail, all your personal details will be saved, and then you can go on clicking Move to Next Step. Next step is address details. Here you have to enter your permanent address, communication address, and other required information carefully. Double check the spellings, as once submitted, these details cannot easily be changed. Once you have entered your permanent address, the address line, the road street name, nearest railway station, locality, state, district, block or taluka, panchayat, village or city, and the pin code. Please make sure you enter the correct pin code. Once you have entered all of these details, you can directly click on Same as Permanent Address if your correspondence or present address is the same. If not, please enter the updated address. Save the address and move to the next step. The next step is Provide Educational Details. Here, you have to enter the name of the school or institute along with the name of the board, major subject, result type, CGPA grade or percentage, and your passing year. Here, you'll be required to enter all your qualification details, inclusive of 10th, 12th, LLB, and higher studies information. Ensure all these details are correct as they are directly verified with the Bar Council records. Enter any kind of additional qualification as the case may be. Keep on saving your educational qualification. That keeps your progress saved. Once you're done with this, click on next step. When you click on next step, you will go to the next section, which is examination details. After filling your academic details, you will now be asked to choose your examination center. From the drop down list, select your preferred city. Try to select a center which is closest to your place of residence to minimize travel difficulties. Please remember that once you choose an exam center, it may not be possible to change it later. Therefore, choose wisely. Step 8, upload required documents. The next step is uploading copies of your required documents. These include 10th, 12th, and graduation mark sheets, LLB mark sheet, and enrollment certificate. If you are a person with disability, you are required to upload a PWD certificate, which is person with disability certificate as well. Please make sure the file format is JPG, JPEG, or PDF, and the size does not exceed 200 KB. Step 9 is review the application form. Once you've uploaded all the documents, carefully review your application form here. This is one of the most important steps in the process. Go through all details and review the uploaded documents. Make sure there are no spelling errors, missing information, or incorrect entries. Once through, click the checkbox of declaration and submit the application. You can also print the form from the print button. After submitting the application, proceed to the payment section. Here on the screen, you now see the applicant details. Once you confirm these details, proceed to payment. Select your preferred payment method such as debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI. Enter the payment details carefully and complete the transaction. After your payment is confirmed, you will receive a notification for the same on your registered email and mobile number. This completes the AIBE registration and form filling process. By following these steps carefully, you will be able to submit your application successfully and without errors. Thank you for watching this guide, and we wish you the very best for your upcoming AIBE examination.